Hello and welcome to the next class. I hope you have been able to put your own ridges on the roof as seen in this diagram below. You can see my own 2-bedroom bungalow. I've put my own ridges, but you might have some difficulty in one or two places that I encountered when I was doing my own. So I want to go through it so that you can also see how you can do it. I'll delete this one, I'll also delete this one. So I will now do it again so that you see how I'm able to achieve it. So let's do these small ones first of all. So you go to roof level on your floor plans. From there you see this small part. That's what you want to do. So you go to your roof. From roof you go to roof by footprint. So from roof by footprint you now go to your lines. You just begin to use your lines to create your roof. So you begin from here, you can see where the thing is starting from. You start from here, you go like this, 400, and you come like that, until you get what you want for that angle. So once you are through with that, you make sure that everything is aligning. Right click and cancel, right click and cancel. You click this one to remove the slope, click this one, remove the slope, click this one and remove the slope. So once you are through, you go to finish roof and you now go and check what you have done. Go to 3D, you go and check it. You notice that it's as if it is floating. It is because of the roof level that we chose. There's no problem with that. If you have that issue, just go back to your roof level and go and choose a view. You can see my own section, or you can use view by either east or south, that where you can view what you have already done. So once you can view it, you just click it, you go to your down arrow, you just bring it down, go to your down arrow, until you drop it down to where you want it to be. Once it's there, you just stop it. You now go and check it again on that 3D. You can see that it's already there, but it is not well positioned. So what are you going to do? You go back to your roof level, you go and check it well, make sure that it is well positioned. You shift it to where it ought to be until you get what you want. You continue to shift it until you are satisfied with what you want. Once you are satisfied, you can see that it has gone below this place. So what are we going to do? You go back to your roof level, you go back to your view, the south, you go and check it, you now bring it up. It has gone beyond where it's supposed to be, so you bring it up, you go again until you are able to get what you want. That's how you are going to be doing this one. And once you are through with it, you go to your match properties, you click match, go to this one, click it and click this one, you match the property. When you finish, you right click and cancel, right click and cancel. So that's how you do that one. You can see that place has been done very well now. So what next is this other side that we have to fix. So how do we go about it? You go back to your roof level, you see this other one that we have already done. We don't need to stress ourselves, you just mirror it. So you left click on it. When you left click on it, you go to mirror, you click mirror. So you now look for the midpoint. Let's use this line here. So once you click on it, you can see on it, so you make sure it's clicked on. Once you click on it, you can see that it has gone to the other side. When we now go to 3D, you can see it here. So what we need to do is just to edit this one that we have already put here. You just to click it and edit it. You just shift it until we get what we want. So it's the editing that I want to take us through now. So let's click it, let's click on it, and now go back to the roof level to edit. See edit here, you click on edit and you now begin to edit. Mind you, you can't move this line from here to here. So what are we going to do? You are going to draw another one like that line. You go to lines, you draw your own. You don't forget it's 200 by 200. So 200, enter. You come down again, draw another 200, you enter. You draw another 200. So once you are through with it, you can cancel, you can cancel. So you now go to your trim, you pick it 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Once you are through with that, you right click and cancel. You now come here, you window on this one, and you delete this one. So once you are through with that, you go to finish roof. So let's check what we have done. We can see that it seems as if it disappeared, but because it's not on the same level, so what do? We will now bring it to the same level where it ought to be. So how do we do that? Let's go back to our roof level. We see our section here to show us where it is, so you can just take it back. You can shift this one back a little bit to show you how do you do this section. Let me just show you a little bit. Let's delete this one. You go to section, you see this one under modify, you just click on it, you click one side to the other side and you drop it. You now click outside. That's how you got a section. And when you want to view it, you click inside this box, double click inside that box to take you to that view. So you can see our ridge is here. So what do? You click on it, you now use your up arrow to lift it up. You lift it up, you lift it up, you lift it up until you get to where you are going. You lift it up, you lift it up until you get to where you are going. Once you get to where you are going, you stop it. You now go back to 3D, you go and check it. Can you see what I'm saying now? You can see our ridge has been formed. So that's how you form the ridges, and the other ones too that has already been formed. That's the idea that you use and form your ridges. So once you can do this, then you are good to go. You don't have any problem again with the main building. So the next thing we are going to go through now is the site. So we meet in the next class. Thank you.